So, hello, hi Sunitra. Hello everyone. So we are,
Yeah,
yeah. So well, first I want to welcome to all of you to this to this great Indian Divas community. So today we have Sunitra, who is a health and wellness consultant. So yeah. Hello, hi Sunitra. Hello everyone. Okay, so let me start first before discussing about our queries with Sunitra. So today our discussion will be in Hindi and English. So because most people are comfortable in Hindi, most people are comfortable in English. So we will use both language. So we all know women are symbol of Durga. So nothing is impossible for them. So they are playing many roles. They are playing the role of a mother. They are playing the role of CEO of a company. They are playing as a leader to rule the whole world. They are very strong from inside and they can manage everything successfully. But due to COVID, our workload is increased and we are little stressed nowadays. But you know there is no way out. We have to do our responsibility with this situation as well. So we have so many women here and looking for some solution to get out from their stress. To resolve the stress related issue, we have Sunitra here, who is a health and wellness consultant. So she will share her thoughts about some of our queries. So welcome, Sunitra. So
thanks, Pragya.
yeah. So I'm starting with my first query. So my first query to you is how are things in the new normal in post COVID situation?
Pragya, this is a very relevant question now. Now, the thing is the new normal. Now, what is the new normal? Post COVID, everything at home as well as outside has changed. Things which were beyond our imagination and never thought of have become part of the new normal. Had we ever thought that in the year 2020, no trains would run, no flights would take off, there'll be days when we will be at home, all of us in one place? These were unimaginable in the end of 2019 also. But things have changed since March, and now in this new situation, we are getting accustomed to this new normal.
Yes, Sunitra, you are. I completely agree with this. Our movement are stopped, flights cancel हो रहे हैं. हमारा मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है. हम लोग घर पर लॉकडाउन पे हैं. So this situation is little critical for all of us.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I'm
More so with the women, the with the women, this has also become taken a toll.
yes, yes, true. Because हम लोगों के लिए तो सिचुएशन और भी क्रिटिकल है, क्योंकि हम लोगों को घर का काम करना करना पड़ता है और ऑफिस का काम करना पड़ता है, बच्चों को संभालना पड़ता है, बहुत सारा काम हम लोग को करना पड़ता है। तो फिर दिस सिचुएशन इज वेरी क्रिटिकल फॉर all women of our society.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I'm going to my next question to you, Sumitra. So what do you think as a woman the role has changed in this COVID-19?
The thing is, no matter whether you are a homemaker or a working mother, the things have become more critical, more difficult, because kids are taking more of your time. Not that kids have increased, but the demands have increased. Since they are at home, they expect more of your time. The time that you could devote to your work is becoming difficult, since being at home, you would tend to look after them more. And expectations from home front is also increasing. Plus, there's workload also. Like, there's no time limit for your working hours. The calls are going on. So here, what I suggest that we can set some rules. We can have a fixed working place, we can have a fixed working time, and more important is distribute work among all the members of the family, such that it is understood and realized by everybody that it has to be done by all of us, and if the that doesn't come on to us as an expectation.
Right, Sumitra? So मैक्सिमम क्या होता है कि हम लोग सारा काम खुद करने जब लगते हैं, तो फिर हम लोग का जो वर्किंग लेडी होता है उन लोगों के ऊपर बहुत स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, क्योंकि हमारे ऊपर बच्चों का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है, घर के जो बुजुर्ग इंसान होते हैं उनका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है। तो हम लोगों को काम सब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहिए, हम लोग को मिलकर सब लोगों को काम जितने भी घर में मेंबर्स है सब लोगों में आपस में वो काम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देने से मतलब वी विल बी स्ट्रेस फ्री। एंड हम लोगों का जो काम होता है वो भी हम लोग ठीक टाइम पर हम लोग उसको फिनिश कर सकते हैं। सो यू आर कम्प्लीटली राइट, सुमित्रा। और बच्चे जो होते हैं वो तो ज्यादातर माँ के ऊपर ही डिपेंडेंट होते हैं। तो हम लोग अगर घर में रहते हैं तो बच्चों का और अपना वर्किंग लेडी जो होता है ऑफिस का काम साइमल्टेनियसली देखना पड़ता है। तो वो भी एक स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन है। तो उसको भी हैंडल करना अपना टाइम के हिसाब से उसको भी हैंडल करना हम लोगों को मतलब सीखना पड़ेगा ये इन दिस कोविड। So I am going to my third question. So my third question is, we all are this question is for all the working ladies जो लोग घर में काम कर रहे हैं। So mostly हम लोग सोचते हैं कि work from home means it will be easy, but COVID in this COVID situation हम लोगों को COVID ने ये समझा दिया कि work from home is not easy. So how is work from home for all the working ladies? Can you give some idea, Sunitra?
जरूर। ये हुआ था कि when it was first announced that working from home, in the initial phase, it was more like fun. It was more like a holiday. It was more like it's a family time. No matter we did our work, but still being around with family for a long period, but we never realized that it would be so long. And also, working from home, what happens is calls have increased. You're more often in calls. So had it been a single individual meeting or a team meeting, it is all on calls. Your visits have gone down. You can't go out in the market for visits. You can't meet your team members. You can't have a one-to-one discussion with any one of your seniors, juniors, peers, colleagues, whoever. So it's all on the call or on the chat. It's more on the calls. Moreover, there are no fixed office hours. So you are getting stressed more often than not. Movements have got restricted. So you're at one place confined uh, more it so happens that not everybody lives in a very luxurious apartment that they can afford to have different working space for all the people staying. The kid is having an online class, the husband is working from home, the wife is also working, maybe there are other family members also, so everybody needs a space. However, that atmosphere is not that work friendly, and children, they being children at home, and that's so long you did not have a support. Maybe your mates were not coming, but those daily chores has to be done. On top of that, these were the internal things. On top of that, there are some external things also, because you have to depend a lot on the network. You have to depend a lot on the outside things, because you can't see on your own. You have to depend on your teammates, your juniors, your team members. So you have to build that trust. Also, you have to depend on whether you are having a good network connection, because at times if you're unstable, you can't blame it on anybody else. So whatever, you have to have a secondary or an alternate uh, situation also.
Yes, yes, this is completely true because I had experience of around a decade in IT industry. I know that हम लोग जब ऑफिस में काम करते हैं तो those environmental little working friendly. So हम लोग का टीम होता है उसमें हम लोग का working enthusiastic हम लोग का इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता है काम करने के लिए पर इफ यू आर स्टेइंग इन होम एंड वी आर इफ यू आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम देन हम लोग मल्टीपल चीजों पर हम लोग का माइंड चला जाता है घर का काम पे कभी बच्चों का काम पे तो हम लोग वो एक काम पर तो कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और अलोंग विद दैट हम लोगों का वर्किंग आवर्स जो होता है ऑफिस में 8 to 9 hours the work is finished but now in lockdown people are like company is expecting more working hours from all of us so they don't care about our like what will be our family life what will happen to our child what will happen to our spouse they don't care they need their work so that will be really really stressful for all the women all the working women so I am going to my next question which is what can you suggest to control new lifestyle of lockdown for all the women.
As I would like to mention over here, it's important that we maintain the four pillars. One is the lifestyle, second is the food, third is the sleep, and fourth is the exercise. And it all starts with the mind. If we can have a healthy mind, then we will have positivity around, and that in turn would enable us to work without stress. In this regard, I would like to mention that I am associated with one such organization called Awakening Minds, where we conduct weekly book clubs on self help. It's a great forum to rejuvenate and learn from others. The second point that I would like to mention on is food. Now, what happens that we tend to eat more when we are at home. Maybe some tea, coffee, our intakes increase because we are in close proximity to the kitchen, or there are somebody at home to take care of us. So दिन में बहुत बार चाय पी लिया, पर इससे क्या होता है कि हम सिर्फ चाय या कॉफी नहीं पी रहे, उसके साथ साथ जो शुगर इनटेक हो रहा है, that excessive sugar is very harmful. That tricks your mind as it kills your appetite. So that we have to take care of. That what kind of food are we having? Are we having proper food in the proper gaps? Are we taking enough water? Because it is important to remain hydrated. We at times do not understand whether we are thirsty or whether we are hungry. So we may bite in something, but actually that is not required maybe. Maybe we need to have more water. And then when you're at home, when you are with other family members, so you're eating time may not be followed as per the routine. You may be following your routine of your Saturday or a Sunday elaborate lunch or dinner. So stick to those, that you have a proper diet. Don't get into splurging too much, because that you are in a working day. So that remains, that discipline should be maintained, so that it does not take a toll on whoever's routine. Otherwise, it becomes too much for the person who is serving its bread. And also, we can be remaining healthy. We should have lots of fruits and vegetables, because fruits are nowadays plenty, and seasonal fruits are a must. So that way we can remain healthy and eat fresh. The third point that I can mention is exercise. We have a fitness regime. We should maintain fitness regime, because equally important to our body is our mind is our body. If we can have a healthy start of the day, that would keep us energized. In this regard, I would like to mention that we have a fitness group also, which is Fume. Be it cardio, yoga, Bollywood beats, our expert fitness coaches would ensure that you stay fit and fine. Even initially, I had the inhibition of joining online, but little later I started attending the sessions. I was so engrossed that 1 hour just went by, taking away all my fatigue along with the sweat. And last but not the least is the sleep, because after a hard day's work, sleep is very important. Our natural tendency is to check the WhatsApp messages or Telegram before sleep. Rather, we should avoid the strain in our eyes right before going to sleep, and sleep in a dark or a dimly lit room, because that gives peace to our eyes and we can have a good sleep. So these are the 4 points that I can mention, Pragya.
Yeah, thank you, Sunitra. So these are the four pillars of lifestyle: our food, our sleep cycle, our exercise. These four things we all women should take care in this lockdown period, because our movement is like it is totally less. So if our movement is less, then we should our intake should be low. बट हम लोगों को पता नहीं चलता कि हम लोग क्या खाते हैं, हम लोग का कैलोरी कितना कैलोरी हम लोग इंटेक करते हैं, ये सब चीजों के बारे में भी हम लोगों को इतना नॉलेज नहीं होता है. तो इसीलिए इन दिस लॉकडाउन द चांसेस इज मोर ऑफ पुटिंग वेट. तो हम लोगों को अपना स्लीप साइकिल, हम लोगों को अपना फूड हैबिट्स और हम लोगों को अपना फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज पर ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए इन दिस लॉकडाउन. So Sunitra, you have you just said that you are part of a group Awakening Mind and you. So these are the groups where we can boost our mind and we can boost our immunity as well. Because आप जब because self motivation is like it will be for 3 to 4 days only. But if you are working along with a group, then it will work it will like you will get motivation from the group and that will work.
यस,
So
ये म्यूचुअली बेनिफिशियल हो जाता है.
yes,
एंड ये जैसे कि नाउ दैट वी हैव टू डेडिकेट अ टाइम, सो वी कैन फिक्स इट अप. And since it's on FB, if we miss out on one session, the recordings are available. You can plan it. If you missed out the morning exercise, हम शाम को भी कभी भी कर सकते हैं, पर ये करना अपने को है. It is on to us to get it done. And the sessions on Awakening Minds are happening on a fixed day, Friday night, 9 p.m. So there also we can log in and learn a lot and give some feed to our mind also, because equally important is the along with the rest of the body, we should feed our mind as well some positive thoughts, some material, some element to capture.
correct, Sumitra. So we have to read lots of positive books, because staying inside home and only working like our mind will be negative. So for that, we should include some positivity inside our mind. So if we will work, if we will read together, study together with a group, then that will also work along with our physical activity with group. So I am going to my next question for Sumitra. So, so my next question is: don't you think we tend to eat more when we are at home?
हाँ, जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि हम लोग ज़्यादा खा लेते हैं, कभी इधर-उधर घूमने लग गए, तो डब्बे में कुछ बिस्किट्स है ले लिए या तो कुछ नमकीन है ले लिए। तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि हमारे जो ज़रूरत नहीं है, उससे ज़्यादा हम खा लेते हैं या फिर कई बार चाय ज़्यादा पी लेते हैं। तो जितना ज़रूरत है उससे ज़्यादा हमको नहीं खाना चाहिए। जैसे कि हम ऑफिस में भी मेंटेन करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे भी हमको घर पे रहते हुए इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम अपने दैट इज़ वी आर ऑफ और इट्स अ हॉलिडे। नो, वी शुड आल्सो मेंटेन दैट रूटीन लाइक द वे वी यूज्ड टू हैव लंच or maybe 1 or 2 tea breaks. That's enough, not on or going on and on.
राइट
यही
सुमित्रा।
मैं कहना चाहता थी।
राइट सुमित्रा। तो हम लोग जब घर पे मैक्सिमम टाइम रहते हैं, तो हम लोग का ज्यादा रहता है कि हम लोग ज्यादा कॉफी पिए, ज्यादा चाय पिए, तो उसमें हमारा शुगर इंटेक भी बहुत ज्यादा रहता है। तो उसमें हमारा हाई कैलोरी जाता है बॉडी में, हमको पता नहीं चलता है। हम सोचते हैं कि हम लोग तो कम खा रहे हैं, वेट पुट ऑन कैसे हो रहा है। तो ये सब चीजों को हमें ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा। और हम लोग नाउ द मूवमेंट इज लेस मीन्स वी हैव टू in like we have to take food also, like instead of 3 times 4 times we can reduce the time, the we can reduce it to 2 3 times. If instead of 4 times we can reduce it to 2 times or 3 times, right? So I'm going to my next question for Sumitra. So, Sunita, my next question is, what about our fitness regime?
फिटनेस के लिए जो मैं कहूँगी कि वी ऑल नीड टू बी, सिंस वी आर ऑल एट होम कन्फाइंड, घर पे ही बैठे हुए हैं, उतना ट्रैवल भी नहीं हो रहा है। जितना हम ऑफिस में जाते या तो फिर निकलते बाजार के लिए या कुछ भी, वी आर नॉट वॉकिंग दैट मच, सो फिजिकल मूवमेंट इज वेरी कन्फाइंड। इसके बदले अगर हम दिन के शुरुआत से कहीं एक्सरसाइज करना चालू कर दे या तो फिर शाम को कहीं पे भी, so then that will boost our energy. So like the way we feed our mind, we should keep our body fit and fine as well. As I mentioned earlier, we have our fitness group as well, Fume. So there, 5 days a week, we have different sessions by fitness coaches, and it can be cardio, yoga, Bollywood beats, and that is very effective. And we have got good response from beginners as well as experts. And the best thing is, हमको कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ रहा है, आप घर बैठे ही कर सकते हो, छत पे कर लिए। You have your mobile, you have your laptop, you're online, you just switch it on and plug it in and you are there, along with so many of others joining from different cities. तो आपको अकेलापन भी महसूस नहीं हो पाएगा, आप कर भी सकते हो because there's an expert and you can see that so many others are also doing along with you.
राइट सुनित्रा। क्योंकि अभी तो सारा जिम भी बंद है, तो द जिम विल बी क्लोज्ड फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम वी नो। और हम जिम जब ओपन होगा तभी भी हम लोग को पता नहीं कि इट विल बी सेफ और नॉट। सो इट इज लाइक सेफ फॉर अस टू डू वर्कआउट इनसाइड आवर होम। तो हम लोगों को हम लोग अगर ग्रुप में वर्कआउट करते हैं तो इट विल गिव अस मोटिवेशन टू डू वर्कआउट इन डेली बेसिस। और हम लोग को अगर मल्टीपल डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फ्लेवर मिलते हैं वर्कआउट के, जैसे कि योगा, कार्डियो और डांसिंग, तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स मिलते हैं, तो हम लोग को वर्कआउट करने का इंटरेस्ट और भी बढ़ जाता है। सो दैट इज ऑल्सो ए वेरी गुड आइडिया। Thank you, Sunita. And I'm going to my next question. In this COVID, we are following so many things. So, are we missing out anything more?
जैसे कि 4 पिलर्स के मैंने बताया, तो लास्ट वन इज स्लीप। इफ जैसे कि हम घर पे ही बैठे हुए हैं, तो हमको लगता है कि उतना थकान नहीं हुआ आने जाने का, या that physical stress may not be happening, but our mental stress is there because so much of workload is there, so much of negativity around, there's so much of news, everybody talking about COVID, you don't know, there's so much of uncertainty. So it's better that we take a good sleep every day, and so that the next morning when we wake up we don't have a headache, or we don't start with a heavy mind. We should feel fresh. For that we need to have a good sleep, और उसके लिए there are some tips which I already shared. You play some good music, or you read good books that gives you good thoughts instead of watching all the news or the forwards. It's better to refrain from those news.
राइट सुमित्रा। सो लॉकडाउन में मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स है जो लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि लाइक यार यार ये लॉकडाउन में तो हम लोग का हैबिट्स ही बहुत ही खराब हो गया है। वी आर लाइक स्लीपिंग लेट इन नाइट, वी आर रीडिंग नॉवेल्स अप टू 2 to 3 o'clock, वी आर रीडिंग नॉवेल्स। एंड बिकॉज ऑफिस जाने का टेंशन नहीं रहता है, सुबह उठकर कभी भी उठो और वर्क फ्रॉम होम अपना स्टार्ट करो। तो इसमें लोगों का ज्यादा हैबिट्स खराब हो गया है। एंड व्हाट्सएप में लोग लगे रहते हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे लगे रहते हैं। तो वी नीड टू अवॉइड ऑल दिस थिंग्स टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम स्ट्रेस लेवल। So I'm
एकदम।
going, yeah. So I'm going to my next question to you, Sumitra. So yeah, we have already discussed about the social media and the news around us. So do we really need to avoid those the social media and news?
Social media and news around us related to COVID-19, we better avoid, because जितना कि पॉजिटिव केसेस आ रहा है, the recovery is going improving, the number of recovery is also increasing, but that is not more in focus. The more in focus is how many people have been tested positive. So either we can sieve that news and take the positive out of it, or we can just avoid getting those repetitive news because they can be upsetting. So we need to take control of all our activities to boost immunity of our mental and physical health. We can share our concerns and with a friend or family how you're feeling, maintain healthy relationships, maintain a sense of hope and positive thinking. जब भी हम क्योंकि अभी हम किसी के घर नहीं जा पा रहे, so we might as well call him up and share some news, and not only about COVID. So there are plenty of other things to talk about, because I see a lot of people have taken a lot of hobbies, and so that's also something positive. So like the way I mentioned about getting associated with a group book club on self help, and fitness club, so वैसे we can share those news and bring more people into that positivity.
राइट सुमित्रा। सो सोशल मीडिया पे और ज्यादा अपने न्यूज पे हमें अभी तो कोरोना का केसेस वी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल। सो अभी उसमें उसमें ही हमारा सारा ध्यान चला जाता है, तो फिर हम लोग अपना अपना जो दिन का जो प्रोडक्टिविटी होता है वो लूज कर लेते हैं हम लोग। तो दिस सो हम लोग उसको अवॉइड करना, हम लोगों को उसको अवॉइड करना चाहिए। और बुक्स इज वेरी गुड, पॉजिटिव बुक्स इज वेरी गुड, हम लोग को नॉलेज भी मिलता है, उसमें हम लोग को स्ट्रेस रिलीफ भी होता है। तो वी कैन डिवोट आवर टाइम इन दोज थिंग्स। एंड हम लोग का जो लोग गुड रिलेटिव्स होते हैं, जो लोग गुड फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, एंड वी हैव दिस कम्युनिटी आवर this Indian super divas community. I have made this community for to share our thoughts together, because only a woman can understand the problem of other women. So we can share our thoughts here, तो हम लोग किसी के घर तो जा नहीं सकते हैं, but we can meet here together to discuss about positive things here. तो हम लोग को ये पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट में अपने को रखना पड़ेगा इस सिचुएशन पे. So I'm going to my next question for Sumitra. So my next question is, what are the things which we cannot control in this COVID?
Very good question, Pragya. Actually, there are a lot of things which we cannot control, but we can always pay attention to those things that we can control. The infection is likely to spread through the population in unpredictable ways. If we follow precautions, we are less likely to get sick, but there are no guarantees. So don't try to control other people's reactions. Listen and help people work through the facts concerning the virus, but understand that hyping or denying the existence of a threat is not helpful.
Right, Sumitra. So we cannot control the seriousness of corona, because we all know that after this unluck period, the corona cases are increasing day by day, and it is increasing in all part of India, in north, so west, east, south. So we don't have any control for that. And if someone is getting affected, means even we can't hide those things. We have to take care of ourselves under doctors and under people who will take care of us. So I'm going to my
Absolutely.
yeah. So I am going to my last question of the day. So what should I do if I have an existing mental health condition? Because we all know that in this lockdown we are not going to anywhere for our amusement. So we are staying inside in home. We are eating. We are working, and our stress level is increasing. But what if I have already I'm already a stressed person? So what should I do in that situation?
Pragya, I can only suggest that people with pre-existing mental health conditions should continue with the treatment plans during an emergency and monitor for any new symptoms. So always stay around close family members and friends, and keep build up your immunity system. Try to be safe from whenever you're going out in public. If at all, only go in case of emergency and essential. It's not yet completely safe. Always track about your pattern of sleep, eating habits, trouble concentrating, feeling frustrated, getting irritated. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing and meditation, which can help the lower stress hormones and boost your immune system. That is all I can say, Pragya, in a nutshell.
Yeah, thank you, Shinitra. So, for a stressed person, I can suggest that meditation is very good, but because meditation will give peace of mind, and if we are doing, we are taking good food, we are involved in physical activity, we are doing meditation, we are around good people, we are around positive people who are really loving us. So these, if we will take, if we will stay with this, then we can take care of stress as well. So thank you, Sunitra, to answer all our queries. And so I am so we don't know about the end of this pandemic situation, and our workload, due to that also we cannot control. So a woman can understand the pain of another woman easily. So through this community, we can connect with each other for our problems and for our solutions. So thank you, Sunitra, for your valuable time for all of us, because we know that
Thank you, Pragya.
Yeah. Yeah, because we know you are also very busy with your work, and you have found some time for all of us to solve our queries, and it will be really helpful for all of us in this situation. So thank you very much. Uh, okay, so let me end this session with a Hindi shairi. You can say it's a shairi. So this is for all of us. This is dedicated to all my women friends here. तो अकेले सब आते हैं यहाँ पर, अकेले जाना है जहाँ से, जिंदगी के सफर में कितना भी कोरोना आए, पर हम सब मिले तो कोरोना भी भाग जाए। हमारे बिना दुनिया अधूरी है, हम एक हो जाए तो दुनिया हमारी मुट्ठी में है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं जो हम कर ना पाए, करने के लिए निकले तो सबको पीछे छोड़ जाए। So this poem is dedicated to all my women friends in this community. So I am done with this. Thank you.
It was great, Pragya.
Thank you, Sunitra. So we are done here, and I'm closing the session. So we will meet next time with nice topic, new topic. So bye for today.
Good night, everybody.